For all of human history, half the moon was a secret, locked away, forever turned from our eyes. On a cold night in October 1959, a small metal craft drifted through darkness no human had ever seen. Luna 3 was alone, tumbling quietly beyond the moon's familiar face, passing into a realm that had never reflected sunlight toward Earth's telescopes. No myths, no maps, just silence. Back on Earth, engineers waited in cramped rooms filled with cigarette smoke, ticking clocks, and the low hum of machines. Signals from Luna 3 were faint, fragile, constantly threatening to vanish. The spacecraft wasn't elegant. It wasn't powerful. It was experimental, imperfect, patched together by urgency and ambition. And yet it carried something no one else could: eyes. As Luna 3 crossed behind the moon, radio contact dropped. The signal vanished. For hours, there was nothing. In that silence lived a question humans had carried since the first time they looked up at the sky. What's on the other side? When contact returned, it came with whispers of data. Thin, incomplete, distorted. The spacecraft had exposed photographic film in space, developing images while tumbling, while freezing, while radiation gnawed at its electronics. Then it began transmitting those images line by line, slowly, painfully, across hundreds of thousands of kilometers. What emerged shocked everyone. The far side of the moon was nothing like the face humans thought they knew. Gone were the broad, dark plains, the seas named by ancient astronomers. Instead, the surface was scarred and brutal. Craters stacked atop craters. Mountains rose sharply from chaos. It looked older, angrier, as if it had absorbed billions of years of impacts in silence, never smoothed by volcanic floods. This wasn't just a picture. It was a revelation. The moon was no longer a simple companion in the sky. It was a record, an exposed memory of the early solar system, preserved because no atmosphere, no oceans, no erosion had softened its wounds. The images rewrote theories, challenged assumptions, and quietly reminded humanity how little it truly knew. For the first time, Earth realized something humbling. Even our closest neighbor still held secrets. Luna 3 didn't last long. It burned up in Earth's atmosphere months later, its mission complete, but its legacy endured. From that moment on, space was no longer about imagination alone. It was about discovery, proof, and the courage to look where no one ever had. The far side of the moon was no longer hidden, and once seen, the universe felt larger, stranger, and far more inviting. If this moment stirred your curiosity, help this channel grow. Like the video, share it with someone who loves space, subscribe for more stories like this, and tell us in the comments, what mystery should we uncover next?